when the order is changed.
What?
When the order is changed.
For what? For Pran and Kapoor?
Sir, even if the order is changed.
Even if the order is changed? ये क्या बात हुई? Yes, Arhan Mittal.
Sir, when we add two numbers in any order,
when we add or multiply two numbers in any order, the sum or product is same.
yes, sir.
So associative property, who wants to answer? Kitten.
Sir, so that if we sir वो जो bracket में 3 numbers के साथ
Bracket with when we add, multiply three numbers in any order, the sum or the product is same. Next, additive identity. Adhiraj Batra. Batra ji.
Sir, I forgot this one.
Riva, additive identity.
Sir, I don't know.
सीफू नानी, बेटा आपने रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं देखी?
सर कौन सी वाली थी?
बेटा, can you raise your hands like this to exercise 5 times? 5 times. Yes, thank you, Revansh. Please remember it from next time. Thank you, Riva. So who wants to, give the answer?
Sir, can I?
Sifu Nani, yes.
Sir, 0.
0. Closure property. Azu bhai.
Sir, I don't remember. Sir.
I will ask from Advika Khanna.
Sir, that when we add two whole numbers, the answer is a whole number.
When we add or multiply two whole numbers,
the answer is a whole
the result is, or the answer is also a whole number. So we say that whole numbers are closed for addition and multiplication. So see, I will explain the properties. Ye properties hame na, we have to remember them also. Next is multiplicative identity. What is multiplicative identity?
Sir, 1.
1.
1. Next is, अभी के लिए इतना ही करते हैं, चलो. So order, O-R-D-E-R, order. So major, just unmute beta. Where is major? Major general मैं एक बार explain कर देता हूँ. Beta, you know that when we add or multiply two numbers, जैसे मैं 2 into 3 करूँ. For example, I do 2 into 3. So I will get 6. But if I do 3 into 2, then also I will get 6. So same thing happens in addition also. 10 plus 3, 13. 3 plus 10, also 13. Then for multiplication, if we multiply 3 times 5, times 2 in any order. 3 into 5, 15. And here I multiply 3 times 5 into 2. So in any order, and I have used 3 or more numbers. So 15 into 2. Again, I will get 30. And here I will get 3 into 10. I will get 30. So 0 is called the additive identity because मैं किसी भी number में I add 0, I get the same number. Closure property, when I multiply 3 into 13, I get 39, which is also a whole number. So I say that whole numbers are closed for addition. Multiplicative identity is 1 because I multiply 1 with any number, I get the same number. So guys, next class tak mujhe everyone should memorize them and you must be able to answer my questions. Do we understand Azan and whoever has not memorized them? Can I tell two easy prop? दो चीजें और बता दूं मैं easy.
Yes, sir.
So first is additive inverse. फाइव का एडिटिव इनवर्स होता है -5. -5 का एडिटिव इनवर्स होता है 5. So what is it called? Negative of a number. Have I told this in previous class?
No.
Yes.
No.
So additive inverse is negative of a number. Additive inverse is negative of a number. What is additive inverse? Negative of a number. Now what's multiplicative inverse? What is multiplicative inverse? 5 का 1/5. 1/5 का 5. So it is what? It is the reciprocal.
Sir, what have you written after additive?
Negative of a number. 5 का inverse.
After
Inverse. Reciprocal of a number. Inverse. INV.
additive. In where
Inverse.
next
Inverse. Inverse.
in is reciprocal.
INVERSE. Negative of a number. Reciprocal of a number. 5 का 1/5 and 1/5 5. 2/3 will be 3/2. So 0 has no reciprocal. Advika, why is any absent?
Sir, I don't know. Maybe we have like a thing, both of us, but maybe she is getting ready for it. Sir, even I have it, but I'm doing it later.
You are what?
So, and you have to do something today, so we have to get ready for it. And I think, and I had gone somewhere or something.
Okay. So have we noted it down? So let's solve some questions. First, we'll do of distributive property. Do it, guys. So for those who did not attend the previous class, I will explain. एक बारी I am explaining some other question. Suppose मेरे पास 23 into 80 plus 23 into 20 है. So what I will do first, I will recognize कि कितनी terms है. What I will recognize, how many terms are there. Terms are always separated by plus and minus sign. So how many terms are there in this major?
2.
2. This is term number 1. This is term number 2. Then this is the first step. Identify the terms. Then check which is the common number in both these terms.
23.
23. So I will take 23 common. What I'll be left with in the first term?
Multiplied by 80.
80. What will be left in the second term?
20.
20. So I will do 23 times 100, which is 2300. Understood, major? Major, singer, CR7, understood?
Yes, sir.
Now I am explaining the second question.
So there was a calculation mistake in mine.
So what is common in these two? 73.
Yes, sir.
So
So
73 I will take common. What I'll be left with? 102 minus 2. That will be 73 multiplied by 100. That will be 7300.
Sir, I have 5 mistakes and 730.
Why, beta? Why such a mistake?
So,
Do you think you will get marks for that mistake?
no, sir.
How will I tell anyone that singer did such a mistake? Do you think I will be able to tell anyone that? How is my shoe, singer?
Sir, she's fine.
Has she joined any boarding or no?
Sir, I don't know, sir.
Beta, is she with you or has she gone somewhere?
Sir, she's with me only.
Okay.
Good evening, sir.
इवनिंग ओम बेटा, अगर आपका कनेक्ट नहीं हो ना, मीटिंग को रीस्टार्ट कर लिया करो, ठीक है?
Sir, send.
Yes, warrior.
Zero.
CR7 major Pran.
Sir, I accidentally got disconnected. I have joined back.
All right. So Pran, where is my answer? Unmute करो बेटा. Yes बेटा.
I was doing.
You were doing बेटा. इतना time नहीं लगता distributive property में. So first of all, Pran, tell me how many terms are there?
3.
3. So term number 1, term number 2, and term number 3. Which is the common number in all the 3 terms?
1769.
1769. So I will take this common. When I take 1769 common, what I'll be left in the first term?
557.
What will I be left in the second term?
663.
What will I be left in the third term?
2.
When you add and subtract, you will get 1000. So major, Pran, Om, Adhiraj, understood?
So send.
Sifu Nani, keep your camera on. Should I call? So warrior, how many terms are there in this?
Sir, 3 and 2.
3 or 2? बेटा पूरे एक्सप्रेशन में कितने टर्म्स हैं?
Sir,
Very good,
1,
Major. Yeah?
4, 4.
Beta, you were not paying attention when you were with Annie. I clearly told that terms are separated by plus and minus sign. कितने plus और minus sign दिख रहे हैं इसमें आपको? How many plus and minus sign you can see?
Sir, I got.
So how many terms are there?
Sir, I thought the multiplication was.
No, beta. How many terms are
Yes,
there
sir,
now?
2.
Answer me. Two. So term number one and term number two.
Sir,
Now,
you
which
said
is the
that is
common number in both the terms? Advika, your network is bad or what? Which
Sir,
is the
there's
common
no
number?
common number, but 347 into 10 is equal.
So there is one common number, 347 into 10, which is 347. Basically, 3470 is a common number. Do you agree? So we will do
Yes, sir.
3470 multiplied by here 386 minus 286. So 3470 multiplied by 100, that is 34700. So Pranji, Kituji, Udayji, Omji, understood? CR7 warrior, understood?
I accidentally
Sir,
sent
Yes.
347.
in the first term, it is written 347, not a 0.
347 into 10 is 3470 only, na?
Oh, yeah. Sorry.
Next question, my dear.
Sir, is this the complete question?
Yes, beta, it's a complete question. I know these are tough when we do it for the first time, but like that's the way it is. Princess, why are we late? Princess of Punjab. Princess of Punjab, why are we late? Ma'am, please give star to Warrior, Azu Bhai, Batman and Riva. You can write beta why are you late, and you have to understand this question. And beta, today's recording is important, so you have to solve the first questions for your questions as well. So see, I will talk to Sifu Nani. So Sifu Nani, how many terms are there?
3.
So which is the common number in all these three terms?
748.
So what will be left in the first bracket when I take this common?
6
Then
and 3.
So if there is nothing, I will write it as 1. Now you will say, sir, ये 1 कैसे आ गया? Because I can multiply any number with 1 to get the same number. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So I will get, that is why this 1 will come here. So I will get 748 times 10, that is equal to 7480. Understood, guys?
Yes, sir.
So Mr. Pran, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I want you to make you do few fill in the blanks, true or false. So you have to send the answer of these 6 true or false in T and F in one message only. That's the key. You have to send in one message only. Oye, princess. Mama ko bolo take a Jio connection. Its network is much better. So write T and F only. केवल आप T and F लिख दो for the questions.
Sir, sir,
Yes.
but my mic is on. Sir, can I go to fill my bottle? Your jug is over here.
Yes, beta, after giving the answer, you can fill your
Sir,
bottle.
I
You can
gave the answer.
okay, you can fill your head as well if you want. So, uh, who is it? Major. बेटा आपको पता है what are natural numbers and whole numbers? Or should I give an introduction? So whole numbers start from 0 and natural numbers start from 1. ठीक है, whole numbers start from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are all whole numbers, and natural numbers will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are all natural numbers. So how much timer do we need? 1 minute?
Okay. Yes. Mm. It's a natural.
The sum of two even natural numbers. For example, 10 plus 12 is what? 22. The sum, so is it an even number? Yes, true. The sum of two odd whole numbers. So two odd whole numbers, 3 plus 5 is an even number. Yes, this is also true. Then we have the sum of two. Major, whenever you get these questions, take an example and then do it. The sum of two whole numbers, one of which is odd, other is even, is an even number, false. 2 plus 3 gives me 5. So it's an odd number. There exists a natural number which when added to a given natural number gives that number. There exists which when added to a given number. What do they mean to say? So guys, I think they mean to say 5 plus dash will give me 5. So 0 is not a natural number. So the answer should be false for this. Answer false hi hai na? Warrior, you have given the correct answer. So the language is not very clear, but this is, I think this is what it means, that there exists a natural number which when added to a given natural number gives that number. So I think they mean this only. There exists a whole number which when added to a given whole number gives that number. Yes, 5 plus 0 is 5. So 0 is a whole number, so we can get that number. So a plus b plus c is equal to b plus a plus c. This is true, this is true, this is false. So everyone understood? Anything we didn't understand, Riva?
No, sir.
No? Okay. We do the next 6 fill in the blanks. So TTFFFFTT like that. You can send T for true and F for false. Princess of Punjab. How are you, beta? Because of your mic, I don't get to hear any story from you. Tell your mom that you want to call and talk to me.
So send.
Ma'am is not even checking. This is divide sign. ये divide है कि plus है? ये divide है. पता नहीं किसने scan किया है ये.
Sir, I thought it was
पता नहीं किसने scanning किया है ये.
plus.
Even
Sir, I
मुझे नहीं
thought
पता किसने. Yes.
so I sent
I
you the
don't know. It was like who has scanned this.
सर आपने स्कैन किया है
मैंने नहीं करी scan बेटा.
Yes, sir.
I swear on your toy. मैंने scan नहीं करी. I swear on your PS4 or PS5.
Sir, I don't have only
Sir,
one.
don't do that. Please, please, please. I got it very मुश्किल से मिला है, sir. Don't do that, please. Don't
Sir, I
swear on
don't
my
have
PS4.
only. Sir, you can swear on Apu's PS.
Sir, can you please keep your mouth quiet? I did not ask your opinion. Thank you.
Bye.
All right, so many mistakes. The sum of two whole numbers is always greater than their difference. So guys, हमेशा zero exception आ जाता है. 7 plus 0 7, 7 minus 0 7. तो it's not always greater. तो ये false हो गया. Everyone understood? We have to remember zero also in whole numbers. The sum of two whole numbers is less than their product. यहाँ पे भी zero आ गया. 7 plus 0 7, but 7 into 0 is 0. So this is also false. ये greater भी हो सकता है, equal भी हो सकता है, and so on. Equal नहीं होगा, I think. Yeah, equal नहीं होगा. So the sum of two whole numbers is odd, then their difference is also odd. So let's see, sum of two whole numbers is odd. 3 plus 0, 3. 3 minus 0, 3. We'll take one more example. Sum is odd. So 2 plus 3, 5. 3 minus 2, again 5. ये true लग रही 1, which is also odd. ये true लग रहा है guys. True. There exists a whole number p for which p divided by p is equal to p. So 1 divided by 1 gives me 1. So ये true. There does not exist. So false हो गया because it exists. Right? Yes or no? Now there exists a whole number q such that q divided by q, ये तो मैंने अभी यहाँ बता ही दिया, तो ये true हो गया. 1 divided by 1 is 1. Then there are more than one whole number such that n into n equal to n. So 1 into 1 equal to 1, 0 into 0 equal to 0. तो ये भी true हो गया. Given two non-distinct whole numbers a and b, we have a divided by b equal to b divided by a. Non-zero है, ये कैसे होगा guys? ये नहीं हो सकता. Because if I divide 5 with 1 and 1 with 5, they are not the same. 5 with maybe 15 with 3 and 3 with 15 not equal to same. So this is equal to false. So yes, now you ask if you have doubt in any question. So Azu Bhai, Warrior, Mittal ji, Kitu, Singer, Pran, Major, Sifunani, Riva, Uday, Astrom, Princess, no one scored a like all correct in this. Have we understood, not understood each one of them? Guys, जब भी आप example लो ना, we have to take 0 as an example for sure.
Sir, ma'am has marked my second one wrong, but I gave false only.
The sum of two whole numbers is always less than their product. ये always नहीं है, ये false ही होगा. Ma'am must have mismarked. और आपकी बुक में गलत दिया होगा आंसर. चेक करता हूं मैं, जिस बुक से करा रहे हैं उसमें भी गलत हो सकता है. 2.2 question H is false. G is true. G का आपने true दिया था क्या?
Sir, let me check. Yes, sir, true दिया था.
But G का तो मैंने आपको explain कर दिया, right?
Yes, sir.
I is true. J is false. J is false. J false है. Wait, let me write here. J is false. I is true. H is false. G is false. And where K? K is what? JK. G is false. H is false. I is true. J is false. then K is true, L is true, and M is false. ठीक है. Rest there is no confusion, I think. This is true, true, false. Ma'am must have missed mark. Chalo. Next. These 5 questions in one message. All right.
The send to Ragini, ma'am.
So the smallest whole number is 0. The natural number which has no predecessor is 1 because 0 is not a natural number. When 2 is added to 3 times to the smallest number means 2 plus 2 plus 2. Smallest whole number is 0. Plus 0 gives you 6. The product of any two whole numbers is a whole number. The product of whole number and 0 is 0. So any doubts? Uday ji, any doubts?
No, sir. Understand my
That
answer.
the product of any two whole numbers is not always an odd number, no?
Sir,
Yes.
in the third one, why can't it be 2 into 3 times 0?
When 2 is added, कितनी बार? 3 times. To the smallest whole number. थोड़ा सा English में confusion है. To the smallest whole number which is 0. Okay. So Pran, why did you get the fifth one wrong? Pran, singer and Kitu. बताओ भाई.
Sir, I read product as sum.
ओए. Do the ninth one. Eva. Once AI joined the class. Once AI robot joined the class. Do you guys know about that?
Yes, sir.
So Uday, major CR7. Time is up. एक ही क्वेश्चन था guys. So Uday, how many terms are there? Princess, आपने यही concept miss किया बेटा. Mr. Uday, how many terms are there in this? No response. Princess, how many terms are there in this? Acha, you also can't speak. Beta, two terms are there. Because terms are separated by plus sign. Three तो numbers हैं. Terms two ही हैं. One term and two term. Terms are always separated by plus or minus sign. So one term and two term. Then what is common in them? So common we have 795, 795. So I will take this out. What will be left in the first term? 999. What will be left in the second term? Because 795 ko I can write it as 795 plus 1 will be left. So मेरा left hand side हो जाएगा 795 multiplied by 1000, that will be 795000. Next, it is 887 into 10 into 461 minus 361 into 8870. So again, how many terms are there, princess? बेटा, terms are separated by plus and minus sign. तो केवल एक minus sign है, तो means two terms हैं. What is common number? 8870. This is 8870. This is common number. So 8870 I will take common, and 461 minus 361. So 8870 times 100. This is 887000. So then I can compare them. All right, understood. So princess, you will solve the beta recording questions and send it to me. Our time is over. So I think that's all for today. Bye bye, kids. Enjoy. Have a nice day. Bye bye, kids.
Bye, sir.
Bye, kids. Bye.